Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best 15-foot trampoline pad is probably one of the most essential safety accessories you can purchase for your trampoline, ensuring that your loved ones can enjoy hours of bouncing fun without the risk of injury from exposed springs or frame parts. This vital piece of equipment acts as a protective barrier, absorbing impact and preventing accidental falls onto the hard metal components that could otherwise lead to serious harm. Investing in a high-quality pad not only enhances the safety of your trampoline setup but also contributes to its overall longevity by shielding the frame and springs from the elements, making it a crucial consideration for any trampoline owner. Number 5. SONGMICS Replacement Trampoline Safety Pad Mat. Is your old trampoline gathering dust? Revive it with this essential replacement safety pad. It's designed to perfectly fit standard 15-foot trampolines, giving yours a fresh start. This replacement safety mat features a UV and water-resistant PVC cover, protecting your trampoline in any weather. Quality stitching ensures it resists tears from daily use. Measuring 11.8 inches wide and 0.6 inches thick, this cover absorbs impacts over the springs. It provides comprehensive edge-to-edge protection for a safer jumping experience. Designed for a perfect fit, it offers exceptional protection and is quick and easy to install. Enjoy a safe jumping experience with this non-removable safety pad. You'll receive a 15-foot trampoline safety pad made from quality materials. It's a simple solution to let your kids enjoy their trampoline again without needing a whole new one. What we like? This replacement pad offers excellent durability and protection. If you're looking to give an older trampoline a new lease on life with robust safety features, this is a great choice. What people say. The pad is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning for safety. It fits perfectly on the 15-foot trampoline frame, with secure straps that keep it in place during use. The material is weather-resistant, holding up well against sun and rain. Number 4. Blue 15-feet Trampoline Spring Cover. Protect your loved ones with our enhanced trampoline spring cover. It features ASTM standard shock-absorbent padding to safeguard against accidental impacts with springs and frame edges. Crafted from tear-resistant and water-resistant closed-cell foam, this cover is built to last. Its UV and cold-weather crack-resistant vinyl coating ensures durability in all conditions. Enjoy a hassle-free setup with its easy-install split design. The multi-piece construction and double elastic straps ensure a secure and stable fit in minutes. Designed for versatility, it offers a universal fit for most 12-foot round-frame trampolines. This replacement pad is a reliable choice for your existing setup. Buy with confidence thanks to our 30-day return policy and 6-month manufacturer warranty. Our US-based customer support is ready to assist with any questions you may have. What we like? With ASTM standard shock-absorbent padding and an easy-to-install split design, this cover ensures maximum safety. If you prioritize a secure fit and peace of mind with a warranty, consider this option. What people say. The trampoline pad is a perfect fit for my 15-foot trampoline, covering the springs completely and providing a safe surface for jumping. The material is durable and weather-resistant, holding up well even after several months of use in various conditions. Installation was straightforward, with secure straps that kept the pad firmly in place, preventing any shifting during use. Number 3. Pure Fun Trampoline Spring Cover Replacement. Ensure your trampoline is safe and protected with our high-quality replacement spring cover. It's designed to keep your equipment in top condition. Crafted from premium PVC vinyl and polyethylene, this cover is built to last. It's UV-resistant, waterproof, and easy to clean, handling all weather conditions. This 10-inch wide and 1-inch thick pad is designed for 15-foot trampolines. It fits springs ranging from 5.5 to 7 inches, with a diameter of 180 inches. It effectively covers exposed springs, providing essential cushioning. This helps significantly in protecting users from potential injuries during use. Please note that this pad does not come with slots for net poles. If your trampoline's poles are inside the frame circle, you might need to make custom cuts. What we like? This pad provides effective cushioning and protection for springs of various lengths. If you have a 15-foot trampoline with springs between 5.5 to 7 inches and want a durable, easy-to-clean surface, this is a suitable pick. What people say. The pad is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning for safety. It fits perfectly on my 15-foot trampoline, with secure straps that keep it in place. The material is weather-resistant, holding up well against sun and rain. Number 2. Jumpking 15-foot green trampoline safety pad. Introducing the Jumpking 15-foot trampoline safety pad in a vibrant green color. This essential accessory is designed to enhance your trampoline experience. Specifically designed to fit a 15-foot trampoline frame, this pad ensures a secure and seamless integration with your existing setup. Its wide, 10-inch design provides ample coverage and is compatible with trampolines using either 5.5 or 7-inch springs, offering versatility. To guarantee the perfect fit, please measure your trampoline frame from outside edge to outside edge before ordering. This high-quality pad not only adds a splash of color but also provides crucial safety for all jumpers. Enjoy peace of mind with every bounce. What we like. Designed specifically for 15-foot trampolines, this pad offers a precise fit for common spring sizes. If you need a straightforward, no-frills replacement that ensures compatibility with your existing frame, this is a solid option. What people say. The pad is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning for safety. It fits perfectly on my 15-foot trampoline, covering all the springs securely. The material is weather-resistant, holding up well against sun and rain. Number 1. Giantex Trampoline Replacement Safety Pad. Setting up your new safety pad is a breeze. Its folding design simplifies assembly, and with just a few elastic ropes, it's ready to go. Replacing your old pad is just as quick and easy. Enjoy worry-free bouncing with superior protection. This pad covers exposed springs and features thick foam to cushion every jump. It ensures both safety and a fantastic bouncing experience for everyone. Don't let the weather stop the fun. Our pad is waterproof and sunproof, designed to withstand all conditions. It effectively shields the springs from rain and harsh weather. Storage is no longer a hassle. This replacement mat features a foldable design for compact storage. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to carry wherever you want to take the fun. Built to last, this pad is crafted from high-quality PVC and PE materials. Its wide and thickened design resists deformation, ensuring long-lasting use and durability. What we like. Featuring a convenient folding design for easy assembly and storage, this pad also boasts excellent weather resistance. If you value ease of setup, compact storage, and durability against the elements, this is the one for you. What people say. The trampoline pad is a perfect fit for my 15-foot trampoline, covering the springs completely and providing a safe surface for jumping. The material is durable and weather-resistant, holding up well even after being exposed to sun and rain for several months. Installation was straightforward, with secure straps that keep the pad firmly in place, preventing any shifting during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.